Hello everybody, welcome back to King and Stuff. What you just saw there was my new intro for computer related content. But in today's episode, we're going to be going over Microsoft Forms. So let's get right into that. So once you go to portal.office.com or you go to Forms, you're going to click on Forms. Wait for it to load. And you're going to once you see this page, you're going to click New Form, which is what we're going to go over right now. And we're going to name it Test. And now let's go over some of the questions we can do. So we have a choice, which is multiple choice. So you can say, like, what is your fave animal? And then you can put, like, dog, cat, bird, and like fish. And once you have that, you can click on it to edit. If I can get it to do that. And you can choose multiple answers, which will make it like that, where you can choose multiple. And you can set it as required. And then another question type is the text, or you can say like, what is your name? And you can put as your answer, or you can select a long answer, which will be like room for like a paragraph. Required as well. And you can put in restrictions, like it has to be a number, it has to be greater than or equal to some number. And also subtitle, which will, like, I guess, clarify the question some more. And then you can add new again, and you have rating. So what you have here is a way to, like, rate saying, let's just say, how much do you like this video? And then you can click whatever you want, like 5 stars, and you can select how many stars out of. Say we want 10, and the symbol is going to be a number or a star. And then you can also set a subtitle and label. Like 1 star, you can say hate it, and for 10 stars, you can say love it. And another question type we have is the date, where it's a calendar. You say, like, I don't know, what day is Halloween? Name. And then you can put it in the date, which is obviously the 31st. And next one thing that we have is called ranking. So what we have here is so what you can do is that you can say list the numbers in order. And you can put in like 1, 2, and 3. And then you'll be able to slide them around. So if we go into preview and we go down here, you'll be able to slide them about. And like for the calendar one, you'll be able to select date, rating right here. You can see it has the hate it and the love it. And you can see here, like, what's your name? It has to be a number. And if you start typing in letters, it'll say this value must be a number. And then what is your favorite animal? And then you can select whatever one you want. So when we go back to the edit page, you can press add new. And we have liker, which is just like the rating one, but a little bit, I don't know, more in-depth, you can say. So, rate the aspects of this video. Say, for this, you can say, hated it, hate, bad, meh, good, great. And you can add statements like entertainment. And you can select it. And you can add new again, and you can see Net Promoter Score, which will, like, I guess for this, you can see how likely are you to recommend us to a friend or colleague. We have one in like 0 to 10, again. And the final one we have is section. And then where this will add, basically just add a whole new page to your survey. So, like info. And they can add questions underneath that. So let's go preview the survey right now. So you have all these. And let's just say these are all great. And that we love it so much. And stuff. And like we like the doggy. And then we submit it. Next, it goes next. And now see, if we miss one, it'll say one more question needs to be submitted. And then you have this info section, and or you can enter in stuff under that new section. So right now, what we're going to do is, now that we're back in here, we're going to add a new section and just demonstrate branching. So we're just going to do branch test in the new section. And then we're going to press the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner and press branching. So now, what we can see here is that after some questions and stuff, you can select which one. So, let me find a thing that would go awesome with this. So, like here, right here. Let's just say, after they're done with this, you can say, take to branch test, in which it'll go to that. And another one that we can do is that, let's just add a multiple choice question. All that. And let's go back into branching. And then once we come down here, we can say, if they select option 1, they go to the branch test. And if not, they just go to the next one. So we'll demonstrate that right now. So let's go back and let's go into preview. So once we answer all these, and when we pick option 1 and we click next, it goes to branch test. If we click option 2, then it just does the rest. So now you see how branching works. And other things that we have are settings, like it's default set to all these settings and stuff. And you can put only one response per person, and only people in my organization can respond, or other things, and record name. And then you can also customize thank you message, shuffle the questions, and then you can set the start and end date of when you'll accept responses. And then you can send email receipt to respondents and get email notifications of each response, and you can just click those. And now there's one other mode called informs, called new quiz, and that's what it's pretty simple. It's kind of close, but we're just gonna go over that right now. It's basically the same, but with a different twist, kind of. So now, if we had a choice, we can say, what is 1 plus 1? And then you can do, like, enter in some questions, and you can always add options and stuff. And then you can click which one's the right answer. Like that. Like with branch, say if you got the wrong answer, it'll take you to a different section. And that's basically it. You can also add the number of points per question. And that's basically it. You know, you got your themes right here. And then you also have your share button, which will give you tons of different ways to share your survey with other people. Now, I think that's about it for today. Make sure you like and subscribe to King Stuff. And put in the comment section down below on what video you want next. This video was recommended by Quincy. I hope you liked this video, and goodbye.